I'm so excited. I get so excited when I have my students give me testimonials, but I am going to share with you, like I shared with her, how to invest in real estate in 2024 through a niche that has been hidden in plain sight, you guys. It's just amazing. And I get so excited because every time someone has success, that's my little excitement dance, that you can invest in real estate without investing a dime, your credit, and all you need is a couple of $100, and you can invest in this niche without a lot of money. Matter of fact, you can grow your money in this. And I'm going to share with you how I did it and how my student was able to do this, getting six-figure checks within maybe 90, sometimes less than that, depending on the counties. But I'm going to show you, if you are a subscriber, click on the link. It's how to invest in tax deed and overages in 2024. If you're interested, I offer a free course on exactly how I did this. So click the link below and opt in, and you will get access to my free course.